today we're going to be drawing
a Dracula.
Dracula. We're getting in the holiday spirit with Halloween coming up. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
All right, starting right here above center, we're just going to draw a small circle. Right here. There you go. Good. Let's go ahead and inside that circle, we're going to draw a tiny circle that's connected to the side. Now, using your finger for spacing, let's draw another circle about the same size on the other side of our finger. Good. And let's draw a little tiny circle inside this one as well. Now let's go ahead and color those circles in, leaving the tiny circle white. So only color the bigger section and leave the small tiny circle white. There you go. Now, right here, just above this eye, we're going to draw a little eyebrow. Just up and over. Nice. Same thing on the other side. Just a little eyebrow up and down. Easy peasy. There you go. Now, starting right up here between those eyebrows, I'm just going to take this line up and over way out here. Right there, yes, right there between the eyebrows, go up and curve it over all the way out. Good. Same thing on the other side. Start at the center, take it up, curve it over, and bring it little ways out. Curve it over and out, out, out. You got it. Now starting way out here, we're just going to draw a curved diagonal coming up. Looks good. Same thing on the other side. Start here and curve diagonal coming up. Good. Now let's come back over here. We're going to draw just a straight line coming down, stopping right about here. That looks great. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Same thing, just a straight line that comes down and stops right about here. Well done. Now starting at this point right here, I'm just going to come down making a gigantic U. I'm going to come down and all the way over to the other side. Keep going. Start curving it back up. Right up to this point. And good. All right, now starting out here, let's go ahead and just bring this out and curve it back in to touch up right here. Same thing over here. Starting here, just curve out and back in. All right, let's come back over here and we're just going to start here and we're going to make a giant mountain curving up and over the top and connecting on the other side. That looks good. Right in between his eyes, we're going to start and draw a diagonal line coming down. Just a slight diagonal. That works. And then we just draw another diagonal right here at the bottom to give his nose a little point. Now starting way over here, we're going to start up nice and high, and we're going to draw a smile all the way to this other side. So we're going to curve down under the nose and bring it back up. Good. Start up nice and high, bring it down and curve over. Great job. Starting back over here, we're going to come down nice and low, almost touching his chin, and curve it back up to the other side. Good. Almost to the chin. Curve it. Good job. Now, right over here, we're just going to draw a nice big diagonal coming down. And then from the bottom, we're going to bring that diagonal back up. Good. Let's go ahead and do the other side with a diagonal down. And then from the bottom, we're just going to bring it back up. Now coming in just a little bit, we're going to start on the bottom of his mouth, and we're going to draw a diagonal coming up. Right over there. And then another diagonal coming down. Nice. Again on the other side, starting right below this tooth, we're going to draw a diagonal coming up. And a diagonal coming down. And those are his fangs, because vampires have fangs. Now, starting outside this bottom tooth, right over here, we're just going to draw an arch that comes between the teeth and ends way over here past the other bottom tooth. Yep, start right out there. Bring it up and over. Keep going over the top of that second tooth and back down. Good job. Now starting right up here, we're just going to draw a curved line coming down. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Just below this ear, we're going to come down and out. Coming back to center, if I put my finger right in the middle on this side of my finger, I'm just going to draw a little line and then a little line on the other side of my finger. Good, use your finger. A line on that side. Good, keep it there, and a line on the other side. Great, that's his neck. Now let's go ahead and we're going to draw a diagonal coming down from this side, right down to the middle. And then we're going to make it a V by connecting the other side. Now right here, we're going to draw a line and it just curves up and out to connect out here with this line. right there. And try not to touch his face, just up close and over. Bring it back down and connect. Good. Same thing on the other side. Starting right here, we're going to bring it up and over. Nice. Now let's come up right here where his neck is, and we're just going to draw a short line coming down. Now let's just draw another diagonal to connect it with center. Same thing on the other side. Line coming straight down. Oh, let's start out here. There you go, straight down. And then connect it to center. Right down there. You got it. Now let's make a circle right in the middle. Do you see what we just made? We made a bow tie. This vampire's kind of fancy. He's got a bow tie. All right, let's come out here, and we're just going to draw a straight line down just past the bow tie. Perfect. Same thing on the other side. Starting just outside his bow tie, bring it straight down, a little longer than the bow tie. Good. Now let's go from this side, and we're going to draw a diagonal down to center. Same thing on the other side, making that into a V. Great job. Now, just above the bottom of it, we're just going to draw a couple dots right in the center of his shirt. These are his buttons. All right, coming up here, just outside this line, we're going to draw a diagonal coming down. Good job. Same thing on the other side. Starting right out here, let's draw a diagonal down and out. Coming back to center, giving a little space down below this V, let's just draw a straight line coming down. Good. At the bottom of that line, we're just going to draw a line coming across. Now let's just draw a diagonal that meets at a point on that bottom line. And the other side as well. A diagonal coming up and in, but it doesn't touch that center line. There you go. From right here, let's just bring it up and connect it right out here. Same thing on the other side. Starting right here, bring it up and connect right out here. Oh, we're getting close. He's looking good. Let's bring it back up here, leaving a little space, and we're just going to curve this line down and connect it right here. Curve it out and down to connect it. Same thing on the other side. Leave a little space starting out here, and just bring it down and connect. That'll work. Back up here on his collar, just outside our last line, we're going to draw a nice long diagonal coming out. Same thing on the other side. Start right outside this line and just bring it down and out. from the bottom. We're going to draw a curved little mountain coming up and down. And then another one curving up and connecting to his body. Good. Other side. Nice mountain up and down. Another mountain up and connect. That looks great. We're almost done, but let's just come up and add a little diagonal right here inside his cape. And on the other side, let's add another little diagonal inside his cape. I think he looks good. That is one awesome vampire. All right, I think our next step is coloring. So grab your markers and let's go ahead and speed this part up.
Colton, are you ready to show them?
Yep.
Yep. All right, count us down.
1, 2, 3.
Hey! Looks really good. Oh, except you made his neck red, but maybe vampires have a red neck, huh?
I did that so he can have blood.
You did that so you could have blood? That's kind of a smart idea. I like it. I'm sure your Draculas are going to be amazing. I had such a good time with you. You did a really good job.
Thanks. You too.
Thank you. All right, we'll see you next time for another How to Draw.
Bye.